అందరికీ శుభోదయం. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ టు all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. 2 days back, it has come in the press. I have read it in Hindu. Justice Sandeep Mehta, Judge of the Supreme Court, raised a point and wrote letters to the Chief Justice of India regarding the misadministration and maladministration by the acting Chief Justice of Rajasthan High Court, and Justice Sandeep Mehta requested him to be replaced immediately with a regular Chief Justice. This is the letter from the Justice Sandeep Mehta to the Chief Justice of India. Incidentally, Chief Justice of India is not in India. He is now in Germany. He is on a 4-day trip to Germany and UK. He replied from there itself. Right. Sandeep Mehta asked to replace the acting Chief Justice, that is Sanjeev Prakash Verma. Why? Because there are allegations that he has been manipulating case listings to benefit wealthy litigants. So this is distribution of duties. Case listing to himself and to the judges who are favorable to him to benefit the wealthy litigants. And he cited several such instances. And the important point is this acting Chief Justice is due to retire on September 26th. I think it has come in the press that he proposed to construct a beautiful guest house for the High Court, not for himself, with 100 rooms. Is it necessary? So, nothing but misadministration, maladministration. Instead of going for anything, better to transfer him or better to replace him with a regular Chief Justice. This has been mulling in the collegium for the past maybe 2 or 3 months. And another point is this acting Chief Justice, he is claiming he is to be claiming to be close to the Chief Justice of India. Now, CJI on 25/8/2026, he responded to the allegations leveled by or alleged by Justice Sandeep Mehta against the acting Chief Justice of Rajasthan High Court, Sanjeev Prakash Verma. CJI says the allegations against Rajasthan High Court's acting Chief Justice cannot by itself treated as a finding against him. Yes, adi alteram partem. He should be given a chance to represent himself. He should be given a reasonable opportunity to respond. So, any decision regarding the continuation, regarding the transfer, or other administrative action concerning the Chief Justice would be taken up by the competent institutional authority after due consideration of the matter. Abruptly, you cannot replace him. This is what Chief Justice of India says. There should be some inquiry. He should be given reasonable opportunity, and then only action can be taken against him. CJI emphasized that Supreme Court could not allow individual complaints to be decided through the so-called competing claims, that too in the social media. The High Court and the other members of the collegium, they are already working on the appointment of Chief Justice of High Courts. So CJI took note of the concern by Sandeep Mehta. Of course, transfer vastundi tondara padithe etla. CJI says contents of the letter cannot be adjudicated in the public domain. It's better not to. ఇది ఏదన్నా మళ్ళా ఉండాలి కానీ బయట పెడతాం ఎందుకు అనేటువంటిది నిజమే. So what Sandeep, let us have discussion. What Sandeep Mehta is stated is, no doubt there are some allegations, whether they may be proved, may not be proved, but when the allegations are there, better to replace him. That is only his request. He doesn't want to make an inquiry. because Rajasthan High Court is his native High Court. He is from Rajasthan. He will be visiting Rajasthan. People are complaining. So this is the ground reality. But CJI says there is some procedure. You have to follow the procedure. By the time you follow the procedure, that man will retire. Just like Yashwant Verma. Yashwant Verma of Delhi. So when he was absent in his outhouse or in his a fire broke out in the year May 14th, if I am correct, 14th March 2025, where lot of burnt notes were found in the outhouse, and the inquiry ultimately disclosed that he is prima facie guilty, and impeachment motion was also about to be taken. At that time he resigned, but it has taken almost 1 year for the decision. By the time he retired and he resigned, what is that you can do? So delay is dangerous. That's what I want to tell you. Thank you.